In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a side mirror on your Scion XB. This is going to be located on the front door. Let's get started. Using a Phillips head bit, we're going to remove the screw in the door pocket. Remove the screw, grab the trim and pull straight up and pop it out. On the back side, we have our connector. There's going to be a tab on either side. Press on these tabs, pull straight back, and remove the window switch. Lift the handle up. Using a small pick, we're going to pull out on this plastic trim. Pop the cover out. We have one Phillips head screw. Go ahead and remove it. Grab the tweeter bezel and pull straight out. Pull it off of the door. We have a connector on the bottom of this. There's a tab right on my thumb. Push on that tab, pull straight out, and remove the trim piece. We're going to pop the door panel off of the door. We're going to put our fingers all the way at the bottom. You can use a trim tool and get in between the two and pop the clips, or just give it a nice swift pull straight out and pop the door panel. Lift straight up and remove the door panel. Remove the connector. Pop the cable out of the door handle, pull straight up, remove the cable. Do the same thing on the bottom. Pull the bottom cable out through the bottom and remove the door panel assembly. We're going to pull our vapor barrier down. Be gentle with this, we don't want to rip the plastic. If you need to, you can use a razor blade to help you cut it. Gain access to the connector. There's a tab right on my thumb. Press on that, pull straight back, remove the connector. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 3 nuts. Remove the mirror, pull it straight out, install the side mirror, get the harness through the door, then line up your 3 studs, pull it all the way in. There's a small hook at the top here that's going to hold the mirror in the door for you. Install the 3 nuts. Snug them down. Make sure they're nice and snug. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Put the vapor barrier back up. We're going to install the bottom cable first. This one's going to be white. It's going to push up into the bracket and then lock down. The second one will be the green. Lock that in. Click it in on the top. Install this harness into the door panel. Set the door panel down on top of the window sweep and go around and push all of the clips in. Pull the window switch connector up and out of the door. Install the connector, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Drop the switch down into place, push in on the front and back. Install the Phillips head screw behind the door handle. Snug it down. Install the plastic trim plate. Push it into place. Install the Phillips head screw into the door pocket. Install the connector to the tweeter. Install the trim piece. There's a clip in the front right and then in the top. Make sure they both seat and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.